Hello guys, welcome to the next part of Laravel API. In last session we have learned how to show the API, okay, which in that we were showing these details in Postman, right? By using Postman we are testing APIs, okay. So this we have seen in last session. So today we'll see how to store the API. Store API will see means whatever the data will enter from Postman, that will store in database. That API will create today. So we'll go here, that is our file name is what, API file, okay. Suppose if you want API tutorial, means first part how to show the API, that I'll give in description, just go with that, where I have shown you how to create a file and how to create the API, how to use Postman, everything I have shown there. After that only see this video, otherwise see this first video, then go back and check that video, okay. So now to show the API, to create store API, see this is for to show the API details, okay, means show API, okay, we have created that, we have called here. Now we'll see how to store API will create, okay. For that what I will do, already I have shown you we have used one database, in that we are using name, city and fields, okay. So to store API, first we need to create a validation, okay. So what we'll do, we'll create validation. So for that I'll take $request, okay, $request, then here we'll take validate, okay, then name, because we are taking name, see whatever the data we are getting from Postman, that will be stored in this request, that request only we are taking. So first we validate that, okay. So here required means we need this required, then only it will go further. Then I'll copy this, okay, because we need three, that is name, city and fields, okay. Whatever the name of database, same we need what we need to give in this, what in Postman, that only we need to give here, or best I suggest to give here data in database column name, okay. So validation is done, here we need to give colon, okay. Next, to store this we need to return, our model is what, our model is student, okay. So I'm returning to student model, then create $request all, okay. Here I will take semicolon. So what we are doing, first here we are doing validation, then whatever the data from Postman is coming, that we are giving in request, so here it will get validate. Then by using student model we are creating this all, means that will be stored where, in database, okay. So this function is ready now. So after that what we need to do, we need to go, as I have shown you, this is our model, that is student.php, where I have taken name, city and fields, okay. Next we'll go in API and I need to store, okay. So I'll create one route for API, so I'll write here post, because if you are storing data you need to take post only, and if you are showing data, if you are fetching data, that time we need to take get, okay. So I'm taking here post and I'll write here store, same I'll give name, this name you can give anything, but for understanding purpose I am giving store only, here also I am giving store, okay. See, because our controller is which, our controller is student controller, okay. In that I have store function, so that function I am calling here and I am taking this student controller, this is our URL, okay. This is done. Now what we need to do, we need to go in Postman. So I have come here in Postman. This was our last API. See here in Postman we can save our APIs also. Okay, I'll create here duplicate and I'll change the name. This I'll take as, because it will use for me for future. Okay, so I'm saving the name like this, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, and I'll make this as gate. Okay, and what I will do, I will copy this URL and I will paste here. Then see here it is show, because here I have given where it is, not this one. See here I have given what, show. Okay, so here I have taken show. Next I am going to store now, so this will change as store. I hope in last session I have told you how I have taken this. This is our local host, then this is a file name, that is my file name is API file. In that I am taking API directly folder. Okay, in file, if you go in route, there is a API, so that API I have taken here, then store. Okay, and one more thing I'll show you. If we go here in root service provider, see here there is API. Okay, this only I am taking. Here is API that I am taking here. Okay, API, then our function is what, store. Then we'll run now. Sorry, before that I need to give a value. See, without giving value how it will run, right? So what we'll do now, we'll give here values. I'll go in form data, so name, then city and fields. Okay, this name and database name both should be same, and here also this should be same. Okay, this name, otherwise it will throw an error. So name I'll give Santosh, city I'll give Mumbai. Okay, and fees I will give what, 5,000. Okay, now I'll send. See, it is Santosh Mumbai 5,000, right? We got this. Suppose if I go here in database, see here there is no data, right? But when I'll do here refresh, you can see there is one data, right? Santosh Mumbai, and it is taking, by default it will take create and updated. Okay, suppose I want to store one more value, I'll show that also. I'll change this. I'll take here Vilas and I will change this as Pune. Okay, then here I will take 6,000 and I'll send C Vilas Pune 6,000. So if I go here and if I refresh, we'll get Vilas Pune 6,000. Okay, so like this is our store API which we have created now. See here in Postman we'll get API data in JSON format. Okay, this is in JSON format. If you change here, if you want HTML, it will give in HTML format. If you want in text, it will give in text format, like that. Okay, XML, it will show XML, it is not showing auto. This is auto, by default it will take in JSON format. So this is our store API. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so I hope you got this store API, how to create a store API. Okay, before this I'll tell you, follow our first video where I have created all the files and how to show the API, then come for this. Otherwise see this and go back that and check that also. Okay, so if you have any queries or question, please comment in comment box, we'll answer to that. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone.